Hey guys, this is Deepika from wealthandhealthmastery.com, and in this video I am going to actually show you how Teachable works. We are going to build a new school using Teachable, and we are going to create a brand new course as well. Now this tutorial can be a little longer, so probably I'll split the video into multiple chunks, or if the tutorial is small, I'll try to upload it all of this together. Okay, so do watch the video till the end, because if you are looking to start your own online course with Teachable, then you need to watch this entire video. So let's get started. I am assuming you are either enrolled in their free plan of Teachable or you have enrolled in one of their paid plans. If you have not done so, please at least start with the free plan, get an idea of if Teachable is the right platform for you or not. So with that, let's get started. I am going to log in here. So I'm going to click on login. And since I already have an account with Teachable and this is the school that I have, so let's not touch this particular school, and let's see, we are going to create a new school. Now this particular school, I am only using it for demo purpose, where I can show you how you are want to create a brand new school, how you want to add the course and all that. So let's say the new school that I'm creating is related to wealth and health mastery. Okay, this is the name of the school. Now here I'm going to click on the create button. Now it is going to ask us, are you a business owner? I'm going to say, yes, I work on my business part-time. Let's say that, or full-time if you do so. So you can choose whatever you want. I primarily identify as a content creator. Then which topic is most relevant to your business? So this one is personal development. So I'll choose that. What category best describe your business stage? So I'll say whatever you want to do it based on, since you're starting out, you probably don't have any income, so let's just go with that. Are you already teaching an online course? Yes, I'm already teaching an online course. And what is the size of your audience? Let's say, since you are starting out, we are going to just keep it small and then hit the next year. So this is the dashboard that you are going to see. So the one that I showed you is for the My Tutorial Rack. This is a brand new school that I am building here. In order for me to customize it and do all of that, then I have to upgrade it. You're currently on a free plan. You only have certain features. Now here, if you want to edit your school name, you can do that. If you want to create a custom URL so your audience can get to your school, then you can edit that domain here. Set up your brand. You wanted to add some themes. All of this, we will do it through this page. So let's say I have this website, that another website that I have is the Wealth and Health Mastery. It's the fairly new website, and let's say over here at this point on this website, I have a course directly on this platform itself. I am not using Teachable on this website at this point. So what we can do is we can create a new tab on this particular site, which will connect me to this new school that I'm building. So let's go ahead, we'll keep it here. Now the next thing is, this is how my dashboard is going to look like. Since I have not made a penny, the dashboard is going to be pretty similar to what you see here. Okay, new signups, if you have any, all of this. Users, I'm the only pretty much user that I have. No students are there. Owner is going to be me. So you can see here, I'm the owner here. And in your case, you are going to be the owner. And then let's go back to the get started here. And let's go ahead and set up my brand. Okay, so here I'm going to see, edit some themes here. Okay, now if I have a logo, I do have a logo, so let's go ahead and upload that logo here. So it's on my website. If you have a logo, then please go ahead and do that. And this is my logo. Okay, I'm going to add that logo here. So this is the logo that I've added. Now if you want to put any school thumbnail, you can do that. And any favicon, if you want to do it, you can do that. Otherwise you can leave it. Typography, like which font you want your school to be appearing. So all the text that I want to see, I want to keep it in this Arial font. So let's do that and let's hit the save. Right now, if you preview this, so you have this preview button on the top. So if I go ahead and preview this, this is how somebody who comes to my school, this is exactly what they are seeing, right? And I don't, this is not related to my school at all. This is a completely a theme with the information that I need to update, all of that. So let's go ahead and customize this. And when I go over to my products or all products, I don't have any products at this point, right? There is no course that I have published here. So it's completely blank. Now let's go back and customize all of. So it is currently saying you are using the free version of Teachable. Paid plans unlock additional features and benefits. So you have to upgrade, and then only you will be able to customize this page. Okay, and just for the purpose of this series, I would go ahead and upgrade it, because it'll be hard for me to teach you on my tutorial rack school, because it's already a pre-built school, and I've already done everything on that school, so there's nothing for me to do it. Whereas this is a brand new school that I'll be building just for this learning purpose. So I'm going to go ahead and hit the upgrade now, and I'll just go to the basic plan at this point, and I'm going to hit the upgrade button. You can see here annually you get 3 months free. I'll just stick to the monthly and do an upgrade here. Now what will happen is it's going to ask me for my information, and so let me go ahead and fill all this information, and I will see you in few minutes. You do the same, go ahead and provide your credit card information, at least enroll in their basic plan. Okay, I will request you, if you have decided to use Teachable, then please use the link given in the description of the video. That way I'll get a small percentage of your sale. I'll do it, and I'm going to see you back in a minute. So now I have bought the basic plan, and we are going to start building our school from the next video itself. So if you have not done it, please go ahead and do it, at least enroll in the basic plan. And I'm going to see you in the next video, where we are going to customize our online school.